Hey everyone, it's Amber. A long time no see again. I wanted to make a quick video for you guys today. Well, it may be quick. I don't know. I'm going to show you a few different things with this. But I have a new love that I discovered this week, and it is making origami, or well, origami stars. These are good luck stars. That's what they call them. Let's see. I'll show you the sparkly one. And just a plain one. And I'm going to show you a few supplies for them. And so I thought we would just take a few minutes and talk about these. I have paper from a couple different places. I bought a whole bunch on Wish. And it does show you on the back of the package on Wish how to make them. But I did watch a couple of YouTube tutorials, which is what I'm going to do for you today as a YouTube tutorial. So let's see. So we're gonna do a YouTube tutorial for you. So I have some sparkly paper from Wish. I have some shiny paper from Wish, and just some regular paper from Wish. But I also wanted to show you that if you don't have access to origami paper, you can. I keep looking down because I'm looking at my face. You can get this kind of paper, this Astro Brights. From Walmart, and use it and cut it up. I did cut up some 1/2-inch strips. These are a 1/2 inch. These ones I believe are 10 millimeters wide. So the 1/2 inch is just a little bit narrower. With the 1/2 inch, you do need the whole 8.5 inch or 11 inches. With the ones that are a little bit narrow, you don't need as long. So let's just get started, and I will show you how cool these are. The first thing you do is you take this and you turn it into a loop. Oops, into a loop. You should have what looks like a cancer ribbon. That's what I think it looks like to me. If you push a button on here, I'm going to be very upset with you. Okay? Sorry, Katya just came and sat down right next to me. Okay, so you've got that. Then you're going to take the short end of your ribbon and you, ooh, it's hard to do it and show it at the same time. The short end of your ribbon and pull it through. Now don't pull it through tight yet, but you're going to slowly work it. So you have about, with this width of ribbon, you want about between 1/4 and 3/8 of an inch sticking out. So kind of pull it tight. Now I'm going to show you why this paper is, it's different than the origami paper. Origami paper is very thin. And when I used to do scrapbooking, you know you want the high quality, the thicker paper. Well, with origami paper, you want it thinner because it folds better. So now you've got that. This is the back side of my paper. I'm going to take it, I'm going to fold over my little tail, and I'm actually going to tuck it in underneath the flap. Okay, like that. It's hard to see. I should do one in front of me for you guys too. I will insert down here one in front of me so you can see that too. Oh, 1 second, guys. Sorry, guys, door-to-door salesman. I didn't know they still had those. Okay, so there's what this looks like right now, and I'm going to start folding around. And like I said, I will insert down here somewhere a little video of me doing it up close and personal. Okay, so you just kind of fold it back and forth. Back and forth and back and forth. And then you will reach a point where it looks like this, and then you'll tuck that underneath. Okay, so it's all tucked. You should have a little pentagon right now. And then you get a squeeze. You turn it sideways, and you will squeeze. Now with copy paper, it's a little bit harder to squeeze than with the origami paper. But it still looks really cool. See, there it is. Molly, go away. She's shaking my whole table. Sorry, guys. There's my little star. Now, I'll show you that the origami ones, with the origami paper, they turn out a lot smaller. Okay. Let me tell the size different. Molly, shh. So like I said, these are 10 millimeters and this is a 1/2 inch. So they are a little bit different in size, but that is the gist of what you do. And I'm actually in the process of filling up this bowl. Do you want it? What are those? Huh? Are those my stars? Do you want this one? Hey, you want that one? Want to play with it? Let her play with that. Anyway, so I hope you guys like this short video today. And like I said, I will include down here somewhere an inset of me with a close-up of my hand so you can see exactly what I'm doing. And do you guys like my new haircut? I curled it today for the first time. I've just been wearing it down without curling it, but I experimented. I like it. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys later.